kailangan ko ng tomato. Kanina kumuha na ako ng rest ng cucumber. I need to cook. I need to get all of them kasi they're already weathering. So yan. So now I'm going to get some tomato for my salad. Yan. Diba ang ganda? Like if ever you need some tomato, lalabas ka lang ng bahay mo, ng balcony niyo, and then there's tomato already. Pag you are diligent. Pag nagtatanim, if you planted something, may aanihin ka talaga. See? It's still a little bit yellow, pero naubos ko na yung yung pula. So, more on yellow tayo ngayon. Ito. Yan. Meron pa ba? Doon hiding, but they are still very yellow. Marami pala dito. Yan. But like they are not yet red. More on yellow sila. Yan. So, I think I'll just get this. Ang liliit. Meron pala dito. Bulag lang. No. So, here inside, meron ba? Ito. Siding. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oops. I pulled too much. Dami pang dami pang mga green. So, yan. Diyan pa Oops, sorry. Ano ba? Yan. And then, ito pa sa taas. Kasi, marami pa sila. But yung iba is already starting to, hindi na maganda yung, yung tubo niya. So, ito. See, marami pa yung green. Madami-dami pa sila. Yung iba hindi makita kasi green din yung dahon. So, but there's still a lot more. See? Ang dami sa isang Oops. O yan. Dami. So, but I need to hindi pa sila. They are not that ripe yet. Ito maganda. See? Ang ganda. But I want that it will be red. And then ito din. See? Mga maliliit pa. Saka ito doon. May yellow pa. So it's not ready yet to be picked. Yan. Saka ito. At saka isang cucumber na got stuck. Diba? Wait. Sandali. It got stuck sa gitna. Hindi ko nakita. So it's, meron pa naman, but like they are so tiny. See, hindi na siya katulad before na malalaki. Then there at the very end. So yan. I need to wait. Tingnan nyo yung ko. Yung aloe vera ko. Yung leaves niya is iba. See, malapad at saka manipis. Ano naman sila, marami namang tubig. So yung same sila na puno, but this one is pahaba, mahahaba at saka thicker kaysa sa dito na very thin. Na very thin siya. Crazy. Yan. So I think they need space to grow. That's why ganun sila kasi hindi malaki yung space. Saka ito yung orange ko na flower. Yan. At saka ito is red. I guess this one is the red one. So, yan lang for the time being. Saka ito yung yung purple flower ko. Maganda pa rin yung tubo. As you can see. So, I guess, at saka ito pala yung tanglad ko. Tumaba na. The last time, ilang puno lang siya. But like now, tingnan nyo, maraming new lemongrass na tumutubo. Yan, and then, andun sa likod. At saka ito, not really that much, maliit lang. Yan. Oops, sorry. Diyan, maliit lang. And then yung talbos ko, yan, it's getting higher too. So instead of cucumber, yan na ang tumutubo. See? Ganda ng dahon niya. So baka 2 weeks from now, I need to harvest them again para they will sprout more. Oops. May uod na kumakain ng dahon. I need to investigate kasi uubos. So these are the tomatoes and the cucumber that I harvested today. I am making some salad out of it. Yan.